back to my channel. For those who are coming in from yesterday's vlog, from the previous vlog, let me not say yesterday, from the previous vlog, hello, how you doing? I hope you're all doing well. It's currently 9:20 and I'm supposed to head out to have breakfast. Annie's son is already out waiting for me for breakfast and I'm kind of 18 minutes late. We didn't do anything interesting this morning. We were supposed to do kayaking and bike ride. My fault. We slept in because last night I was a little bit of a pain in the ass. I slept for a bit and then I was up at 2 all the way to like 4ish. So we ended up sleeping in and hence a late morning. But I thought I'll jump in, say a quick hello. I'll show you guys my outfit. I really like it. But I'll show you guys later. So let's go have breakfast.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you?
Hey guys! Also, look.
I think we'll go to the Rock to take some pictures and get drinks, maybe. While
Yeah,
we
we'll
wait
do that.
for opportunity to get on a boat.
On a boat. Love that idea for us. Hey guys, so we are on transit. We just left African Paradise. We had breakfast. Babe, how would you rate the breakfast? Yesterday's I gave it like I think a 4 or 6.
4 and 6, I mean a 5.
4 or a 6. I'm not sure. Either give it a 4 or a 6. Breakfast was like a 6.
I give today's breakfast a 7
8.
7.5.
Jesus, he's stingy.
I'm very
I'll give today's breakfast 8. Wait, 7? No, I'll give it 8. Annie's son is giving it a 7.5. It was great. Everything was fresh. The fruits were fresh. Breakfast
fruit was quite good.
was good, but it wasn't drop your pants good. But still good enough. Well, we missed bicycling at the beach and no, it's not snorkeling.
We were gonna go kayaking.
I said canoeing. The whole time I was saying canoeing. Shit.
Definitely not canoeing.
On the plus side, we might end up doing snorkeling, right?
Yep.
So we are headed to the Rock. We're gonna have some chill time because it's now 10:38. We're gonna chill there for a bit, take some cute pictures because now I have a videographer. Yeah. I have finally made it. So we're gonna do that and then head out to the Blue Lagoon for some snorkeling because it's the only place where fishermen don't use dynamite. Hey, I listened.
Yep.
That's the plan of the day, and then I'll catch up with you guys when we are at the Rock. For now, enjoy the scenery, which is just a stretch of palms and tarmac.
I'm thinking about me. I'm thinking about me. I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So thinking about me, 'cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time.
The place is really great. I don't even think you can hear me, but just add that into it. Big ones that belong to a giant behind me. The small ones are mine. Almost size human. Oh, flash the people.
It's okay, you're wearing choopy.
I am wearing shoecases. Wow. You don't fuck with sunburn, do you? Yeah, flash us, why not? Flash everybody. I'm gonna blur their part.
I've been thinking Are you feeling the same way I do? I'm thinking about me. Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. 'Cause I've been thinking about you.
Don't hang up. Can we be friends again? I give up. I know how this ends. Might sound strange, but I'd give my life for you. Nothing's changed. I just ran away from the truth. One of us makes a mistake. We work our way through the heartache, and then we're back where we started. We've gone full circle again. But that's what we do. That's just what we do. Last weekend, that was your turn, I guess. Let's pretend that we are
You see anything? You like it?
The fish? Yeah. By the way, I mean you. There's really great.
One of us makes a mistake. We work our way through the heartache, and then we're back where we started. We've gone for
That's they called that? We drove by. No, we drove by another place that looked fancy from the outside. But it wasn't called Blue Lagoon. I don't know what it was called.
It's better than him.
Yeah, I don't remember.
That's what we do. That's just what we do. It's like a game that you cannot win. Somehow I don't wanna change a thing. I tell myself what a fool I've been. Gone full circle again.
Let's go. Boyfriend of the Year award. I had a fantastic time. Thank you, baby. So the rock was interesting. Very touristic. Very touristic. Babe, what's the name of that place? It's in the map. What we're going for lunch?
I'm actually not even sure yet. It's called K-Punk, something like that.
Okay, we're going to see something called K-Punk. See,
K-Punk.
K-Funk. We had some amazing shots. You guys will see those later. Hey guys, so we just finished out with the Blue Lagoon snorkeling. My second snorkeling, my first biggest snorkeling. It was amazing. Babe said I was a pro. Am I a pro?
You're a pro.
Are you lying to me?
No,
Yeah.
you did really well. Took you a little while to get confident, but once you did,
Alright.
yeah.
pro. And then we ended up chilling at the Rock. Very nice place, super touristic, and apparently if you don't have a booking, you will never chill there. You'll never chill with the cool kids.
But it's not in the high season.
Oh yeah, true. And then during low season, they'll beg you to be inside.
Am I interrupting your vlog?
You remember you told me to die. You're gonna be lonely without me. Anyhow, I'm getting a little sweaty, but it was such a great day. I'm pretty sure I have tanned 2 shades, maybe 3. I might be exaggerating, I don't care. Babe, are you having such a great time?
I'm having a great
I got that smile. I got that smile. Wouldn't even have asked if I saw it earlier. So you're going for lunch and whoop whoop. Babes on the wheel. Day 3 in Zanzibar and I'm loving it. It's getting higher and higher. Like I thought yesterday was a great day.
Yeah.
And then today and tomorrow we're doing the fucking dolphins. I did that thing like on camera. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a jiffy. Also, the AC needs to kick in.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going.
This dapple sun.
Even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet.
Make a slight right to stay on Sunset Beach Drive.
Inside this dome, I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can.
This is how you're gonna eat.
Feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home.
What's it taste? What's it taste like pork?
Yesterday we could be ourselves. Didn't have much, but nevertheless we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around.
It looks like I'm in the wardrobe.
I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that
Check in. We just finished lunch. Walk on the beach. Some chill session. Some cry session. We're gonna put that out there. Are you cried? Oh, we got teary. It's such an amazing day. You have no idea. Super relaxed. We are headed out to yet another location. I mean, we'll get there if Annie's son can tell a speed bump, but we'll get there. So we are headed to Matemwe. Matemwe. We're headed out to Matemwe. We are just leaving Banje. What is it called? Changani.
Going back to Bueju and then to Baje.
That's where we'll be spending our next 2 nights, right, babe?
Yep.
So I'll check up with you guys when we get there. This thing sometimes amazes me.
The camera,
I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back.
Now it is. Okay, now it's yes.
You were a great driver, babe. I mean, except for the few, everything that you ran over. It was actually a longer drive than we expected, right? Road trip was fun. Took us an hour and 30 to get here. GPS is on point, as usual.
Good job, babe.
We're at Sellers Bungalow. You guys might never hear this. so it's gonna be harder to do this on voiceover. We're about to have dinner, probably swim. Man behind the scene is tired. Plus we have an early morning tomorrow. So that's the plan. But the place is really chill. The rooms, yeah. How are you rating the room?
Yeah.
Yeah, in number.
4.
Giving it a 2. You're generous.
It's clean.
It's not interesting. Oh, this dog looks like a fox and it's sniffing my butt. Is it sniffing my butt? Looks like a fox. But the vibe, it's vibey. It's giving me Rastafarian vibe. Right? Colorful, cute. But we'll be able to explore some location.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chasing all that we do today. Chasing all that we know. Chasing all that we do today. I always knew we could do so many great things. So believe in me, I believe in you. And I just feel that this will be an upswing. So hear me out. I know we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do, chasing all that we know, chasing all that we do, all the way back home. Chasing all that we chasing all that we know, chasing all that we do, all the way back home.
Hope you guys are staying safe, and if I don't talk to you guys, I'll see all of your beautiful faces on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and I'll see all of your beautiful faces on the next one. Bye!